Today we're gonna show off the RC Lightning Mcqueen. Look at how big he is compared to the little one. The die-cast ones, they're so small. He's like their tire. Alright, we're gonna show how well he does on the grass and on the dirt and on the street. What do you think, Ed? Yeah, let's see how fast he goes. Check him out. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you like cars videos. Alright, give it a go. Yeah, give us a gas. Right, hey, let's see if he can go up that. Can he go up that hill right there? It doesn't seem like he wants to go. I don't know if it's because the battery might be dying or something, but let's give it a go out on the street. Okay, now we got him out on the street. Let's see how well he does now. Give it a go, Ed. There he goes. Go. Look at him. He's trying to be strong. Look at him go. Look at him go. He does pretty well on the street, Ed. Let me try. Let me try. Look at him go. He got stuck. Alright, Ed, let's try the turbo. Let's see what happens when we press the turbo button. Ready? Whoa, look at him go. Oh no, he ran right to the bush, just like in the movie. Look at him, he's in the briar bush. I hope I don't get done. Alright, here it comes back to you, Ed. Turbo mode. Gonna put him on the road?
Yeah.
Put him on the road. Look, and you got turbo mode right here. If you press that, he'll go fast. And if you press this way, you turn the wheels, see? You understand?
Understand.
Uh-huh. There he goes. Woo. He's going in the neighbor's yard. There he goes. Whoa! He just jumped that. Did you see that? You want to hold the camera and play with it?
Yeah. Lightning! 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 Lightning!
I'm stuck. There he went. There he goes.
What happened to that guy see it?
Did you see it? What are you doing, Lightning?
He's trying to do a flip.
He tried to do a flip. Did you see that?
He's trying to do a backflip.
Watch him go up that hill right there. You want to watch him go up that hill? Yeah. Let's see what he does. Hey, he did it. Now let's see him go down the hill. Can he go down it?
That worked out, human.
There you go.
Hey.
It's a turbo. It's like he crashed.
Human, what's going on?
Hey, human, what's going on? Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, look, he did a wheelie!
I did a wheelie!
go. Wow, that little thing is fast. All right, I'm coming back to you, Ed. Turbo mode. Dude. Woo, this thing is fast. Lightning is fast. He's not gonna break. Ready? 3, 2. He almost landed it. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Ready, Lightning? Here we go. Oh, he flipped upside down that time. But I mean, he's tough. Boom! Wow, he's tough. Now let him go. There he goes. Bye, Lightning. Oh, look at him. He did a flip. Oh, look at him, Ed. There he goes. Doing something. He's trying to do a donut around it. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, he's doing donuts. Woo. Whoa, did you see that? Boom. Oh, I'm dizzy. Anyway, we had fun with our Lightning McQueen racer. Yeah. He's one tough guy. Alright, well make sure you like and subscribe for more cars videos. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Yeah?
Yes.
This is a 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend.